whatever Tommy does, Prather needs to do. You can help us out by trying to change this number right here, right there, somewhere. Try and help us out, us editors, while we edit these videos and others make hundreds of thousands bowling these tournaments and winning.
We're hard at work for you guys, you know.
So just change this number right here.
Please.
For us.
For the boys.
Ferda.
I don't see anything. What up the house?
Predict my TV show. Tommy 1 seed lock in. It's a win for him. If you want to know more, I'll think about it for a second. Tommy.
We'll get back to you later.
Does it have to be in order? Can I just give you 5?
We'll get back to you later in the block.
Okay. Yes. Goldfish, the snack that smiles back. I said that wrong.
That's what it is.
It's but
the
it's
snack
goldfish.
That smiles back.
It's goldfish at the end. It's the snack that smiles back. Goldfish.
All right, so KP shot 208, which I think might have been
no good. The low game.
The low game in the field. So he's gonna need to step his game up a little bit.
And he just tripped out the 4.
Oh, he tripped
7,
a 4,
10.
10. Let's freaking go. All right, so he's gonna need some
big games.
Big games. 5 to
He
go.
also just moved like 25 left. So big wheel in play.
Big wheel, big games. KP's gonna make this top 5. You heard it here first.
And
Probably
second.
Probably not first or second.
Third.
Probably like 40th. There are probably other people that told us that, but one time for the one time.
We need it. Which he needs it. How about you on striking?
How about I'm trying?
Dude, that mean 410.
I'm glad I got a break.
And one.
Couple stuffed 9s, couple super flat 10s.
One time for the good guys?
Need to remember to smack the absolute shiznit out of it, because
You're really good.
You just grab a hold of those finger holes and you just don't let go, boy.
yeah, but you see, you can't do it with grip pressure. You got to do it with.
You stay in the hook for 1 week and you start saying shiznit.
Get that yo-yo
Off on me.
Get that yo-yo out.
There's a lot going on, kind of, right now, honestly. Belmo had a chance.
Tensions are high. Belmo had a chance to catch some serious ground on Tommy. He split in the 10th.
Not happy.
Prather had a chance to
Shoot 270.
shoot 270. He
Bad shot, 10
pinned.
pin.
And then he missed the 10 pin, which was huge. It wasn't that huge, but
240 is still a good game.
240 is a really good game. 250 would have been a little nicer. Would have given him obviously more ground
Tommy
to
just shot
guarantee
180.
himself on the show, but Tommy shot 180. It's getting interesting here.
It is. The scores were very separate. Now they're getting very close.
Scores are getting a little bunched up by the cut number as well as up top, so should be an interesting last three we got here.
4.
Last four.
It's 4 games. 4 games to go.
Sleepy boy. Sam, I think we both need to take some lessons on how to be that nice to it at the bottom.
I don't think lessons would help me. You got a chance.
You think I got a chance?
You got a chance.
I rip up on it though.
No.
I don't know. You think you don't have a chance?
I can't,
You come out of it
I
clean.
can't bet the game. No.
Not yet.
No, I'm working on it.
All right. It's a work in progress.
Yeah.
Who needs to make spares when you shoot 300?
Can't shoot 300 with a whip 10 pin.
Sure can.
Whose theory's right, baby? Say it's mine.
On the PBA tour, spares do matter, just not as much as strikes.
That being
So I'm right. So good. When he gets to feeling it, that jaw comes out a little bit and he just... He is mauling him. He's in that blackout zone where, like, you know, people just go into that mode where it's like, oh my god, he's going insane. That's KP right now.
like we're gonna ask him how it went at the end of this, and he's gonna be like, I don't know.
I blacked out
I don't know where I was.
for 60 frames.
your order for the TV show?
My order for the TV show.
2 games to go.
2 games to go. And it's close. 8 pins separate first and second. Love the boy Prather, but I think Tommy Jones is going to take back the top seed. Prather second. I don't know what the stands are looking like, so that's all I got for you.
Yeah, I think I have to agree with those top 2. I guess I just kind of assumed Elmo's going to be third. I don't know what the standings are either. Just safe assumption.
I got the hardest part.
It's not going to be Egypt.
I agree. I think Simo gets there for number 5. I don't know what the numbers look
Who's
like.
the 4 seed?
Don't know.
Give us the breakdown here.
Heading into the final game of qualifying for this guaranteed weight PBA World Championship, Tommy Jones has retained the lead by 5 with Chris Prather in second. Jace Belmonte in third?
Should be in third.
By like a good amount too, right? By a good amount?
Well, I don't know what Butter shot, but definitely Sterner should be in 5th.
Yeah, third, fourth, fifth, but within like 5 pins.
Sterner opened in the 10th.
So we're pulling for our boy KP to take the 1 seed. And
Do you want the 1 seed though? Statistically, the 2 seed wins the most.
Statistically, maybe we want the 2 seeds.
So maybe
we want the guaranteed 55 Gs. Back-to-back weeks. Back-to-back weeks? We want titles. So we're hoping KP qualifies second, runs it up there, beats Tommy the Bone Collector Jones. And let's get this last game.
Sterner?
Alright, so it's currently in Prather's control if he is the 1 seed for the show.
Yes, a double.
He doubles, he's the 1 seed. That's it. It is what it is.
Assuming Tommy picks this up in doubles as well.
Yeah.
Chris has to match what Tommy does right here in the 10th.
Whatever Tommy does, Prather needs to do. Yo, my.
Yeah, KP?
What a
didn't know what I needed, I better to not know.
I don't look. I don't need to.
Our boy.
PBA Hall of Famer Tommy Jones.
Hey!
And the tournament leader from Plainfield, Illinois. He was the 2019 World Series of Bowling Scorpion champion. He was the 2019 PBA Tour Playoffs winner. He's a Tournament of Champions champion. Chris Prather, our tournament leader. That's the lineup for the championship.
Mr. Honey K.
Honey K, back and better than ever.
Trying to give him a 100K?
TV show
Huh?
is sold
I think he has a 100K
Please
t-shirt.
tune in to
Do you know where you can
Fox
find
at
it?
noon. That's
Yeah, you
starting
can find it
time.
at the House Bowling.
Congratulations
We got
to the
a
top
code
five
going on right now.
What's the code, Chris?
We'll see you
WSOB, 50% off. Limited time. Better
Someone
get
said the
there.
house bowling.
You could also get
Oh, the
yourself
House
some merch.
Bowling?
What? The House Bowling?
Someone said house bowling?
Yeah,
The House
Limited
Bowling
time.
model?
hold that out.